Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the structural modeling part. It has been a long time. So, previously I have uploaded the Revit structure video, uh, 1 year back, I think. So, I thought to upload one Revit structure video. That's what I come up with on live project. So, in that particular project, I will show you how to create a structure model using the ETABS data. What are the things engineers has been given or engineers has been designed. According to that, we'll try to create the complete structural model. So here I have some details. According to that, we'll try to create the model. So as per the IS 4/6 2000, they are designed the G+1 residential building from the safer side. So we'll try to follow these things. Okay, so before starting this particular video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe, share and support. Okay, yes, I have already opened the Revit structural template. So as you know already, here it is option called new, then the project. Here you have to select the structural template. I already selected. Then apart from that, so this is the particular PDF that I have, the level 1 PDF. Here you can see the level 1 layout. Then the, let me close this one, then the plinth, then the building sections that I have according to the grids. Okay, so we'll try to identify how to read these particular sections and all. So uh, these particular projects in meters. So according to that, I will set the project data in the meter only. Okay, try to follow these dimensions. Maybe these are the accurate ones. Okay, so here the my Revit screen is already opened. So I will go with the any elevations. In that already the elevation set in the meters. Okay, now I will try to identify the levels first. What are the levels has been given? So for that levels I will go to the plinth level first. So what is the elevation about the plinth level? Then apart from that, I will go to the sections as well, how they given. So it's called base, then the plinth level, then level 1 and level 2. I will set up the same levels here. Base is a 0, plinth level, then the level 1 and level 2, correct? So I will create one more levels here. So here is option called after clicking the lever, here is option called create similar. You can use the shortcuts as well as a CS for creating the levels. Create similar by selecting the previous levels. So it's a level 1 if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes. So before that I will delete this analytical levels. There is not, we no need of the requirement of the analytical levels. Okay, level 2. Okay, so these are the levels I have created. Okay, then we'll try to match with the dimensions given by the structural engineers. So see, from where we'll get the look, the height. So here in the plinth layout, here they mentioned as a 1.1 1.2192 meter. It's approx 1.2 meter only. So I will try to match with this dimension. Okay, see here 1.21 unit. Let me set up the unit in meter. Then it's up approx. I will go with the 1 centimeter. Let me check. 1.2, it's 1.2 is okay. Then then the second one is the level 1. What is the height? 4.26 to 4.2, basically this one, right? 4.27. Then the third one, layout 2. So here you have to when you get the structural model details, you have to identify the height based on the ETABS model, because everything is set as per the ETABS model only. So The 7 meter in the sense like from here to here it's 4.27 basically, 3.05 from here to C, from here to here 4.27, then from 0 to it's 7.3 pi 2. Okay, so you have to identify when you are feeling like something is wrong, so you have to catch those things as well. So 7.3, right, it's around 3.5 and 3.5 meter height of the buildings. So according to that, maybe there will be one more level, so you are not focusing on that one. We'll try to focus on the data given by the structural engineers only. Okay, so apart from that, no need to focus on any other stuffs. Then I will go with the base levels. Let me save this file. Okay, so we'll try to identify what are the things required now. So you can see here. First, I will try to draw with the plinth layout. Right here is the only one PDF. Apart from that, they given the grids ABC and 1, 2, 3, 4. The same will follow. Okay. Yes. Maybe it will help. So for the grids, GR is the shortcut. So what is this? Should be A. Then right. What would be the dimension here? 3.5814. It's approx 3.6. We'll give the same dimensions here. Otherwise, we'll check the unit whether it will give the 3.6 or not. It's completely the dimension is up to the unit you have to set. Apart from that, the dimension in fractionals, it may be vary. Either you can go with the meters also. So if you go with the meters, then it would be really helpful. See, now it's proper, right? It doesn't give any variations on this because it's proper only. Yes. Now the vertical grid is set. We'll try to draw the horizontal grids. Okay, then it's starting from 1. So what is the dimensions here? 4.1148. So we'll go with 4.2. Otherwise, we'll give the same dimension 4.1148. It comes with a 4.1. 3.2766. 1.27. I think this is set. So in this particular video we are tackle those things, right? What are the the details has been given. According to that, we'll model the grids and have set up the levels as well. So and apart from that, we'll try to focus on the column sizes and beam sizes. So you can see here in this particular section, I can see only the 230 by 230 into 380 columns. We'll try to prepare the columns as well. In the next video, we'll try to model all the things. Okay. So before starting the before continuing the video about the columns, so you have to go with the structural, then you have to select the structural columns. Okay. Concrete. I will try to add it here, then I will change the sizes. Duplicate. 230, 380. 380 mm, then it should be 230 mm. Then this is set. We'll check with another PDF. 230, 388. Is there any column sizes change or is there any variations and all? 230, see 230, 300. We'll try to model first, then we'll directly place in the Revit. Two columns has been prepared to place. Mm, I didn't see any extra columns apart from these particular columns. Okay, looks like only the two columns we have. Apart from that, we'll try to prepare the beams as well. What is the size of the beam? 230 into 300, right? Duplicate. Two thirty mm, 300 mm. This is the one beam. If you notice anything, please do let me know. We'll cover in the modeling part as well if we miss creating the model. 230, 380. Okay. I think we have three beams. I didn't check it properly. 230, then 380. So we have to check each and every sections because all the details are mentioned in the sections as well. So that is the purpose of the that is the purpose I'm checking each and every sheet, because every sheet having in the different sections, so I will try to explain all the things as well. Okay, so I think I have covered of creating these particular beams. So so now we'll try to place all the beams as per the given data in the next video. Until then, if you are not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe, share and support. I will continue the same video in the next part. Thank you so much, guys.